Namaste food lovers, welcome back to DesidineIn, where tradition meets taste. With Ganesh Chaturthi just around the corner, I have something special for you today, a recipe that's close to my heart and loved by Lord Ganesha himself. We are making Modaks. These little sweet dumplings are a must for this festive season. Ready to add a divine touch to your celebrations? Let's get started. Before we dive into the process, let's quickly look at the ingredients we'll need. 1 glass of rice flour for the outer shell, 1.5 glass of water, 1 cup of grated coconut, half cup of jaggery, ghee, pinch of salt, half tablespoon of cardamom powder. Simple ingredients, but trust me, they pack a punch. We'll start by making the heavenly filling. Heat a pan and in goes the grated coconut. Stir it for a minute and then add the jaggery. As the jaggery melts, your kitchen will be filled with the irresistible aroma of caramelized goodness. Add half a spoon of cardamom powder. A touch of cardamom powder will enhance the flavor, giving it that perfect festive feel. You can add a few chopped nuts or raisins for an extra crunch. What's your favorite addition? Let me know in the comments. While our filling cools down, let's prepare the dough. Add half teaspoon of ghee. Boil some water with a pinch of salt. Then gradually mix it into the rice flour. Knead it until you get a soft, smooth dough. The key here is to keep the dough covered so it stays moist and pliable. Now comes the fun part, shaping the modaks. If you have a Modak mold, this part becomes super easy and perfect every time. Take a Modak mold. Take a small ball of dough, insert it inside the mold and gently press it around the corner to get desired shape. And carefully add the fillings in the center. Fill it with a very little dough to close the modak. Do you prefer the traditional hand-shaped modaks or the mold ones? Let me know. Once shaped, place the modaks in a steamer and keep a banana leaf to make it more healthy. Let them cook for about 15 minutes. You'll know they are ready when they turn slightly translucent and glossy. And there you have it, perfectly steamed modaks, ready to be offered to Lord Ganesha and enjoyed by your family. These little delights are more than just a sweet, they are a symbol of love, tradition, and the joy of sharing. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. Wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Comment below if you try this recipe or share your favorite festive sweet. Until next time, keep spreading the sweetness. May Lord Ganesha bless you and your family with wisdom, prosperity and good health. Jai Ganesha. Thank you.